Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this very simple origami butterflies. So to start, you're gonna take a square sheet of paper and you're gonna fold it diagonally both ways. Next, we're gonna turn the square over and fold it in half vertically, like that. Now you're gonna unfold, turn over once again, place it so that the creases are aligned in that formation. And now you're gonna grab the sides and pull them downwards, like that. And as you do that, you're gonna flatten the top as well. And in the end, it should look something like that. Again, what we just did was we took the sides of the square and we pulled them downwards and then flattened everything. So once you're here, grab one layer of paper from the right side and fold it upwards up to the upper corner, and repeat the same on the other side. Okay, so now you're gonna turn everything over, and then you're gonna grab the bottom edge of the triangle and fold it upwards. But as you do so, make sure to leave a triangle about this big here at the top. So instead of folding all the way up, we're gonna leave the triangle right there, as you can see. So now you're gonna turn it over once again, and now you're gonna grab the corner right here, only one layer of paper, and pull it downwards. And as you do that, the side is gonna turn up like that. And basically you're gonna wanna flatten it, so it should look something like that. And I'm gonna repeat on the other side and show you. Basically take one layer of paper from the top corner, pull it downwards all the way as far as it goes, and as you do that, the side here turns up and you just flatten it like this. And afterwards it should look something like that. Now we're gonna turn everything once again. You're gonna take this upper corner and fold it downwards, like that. And afterwards, you're gonna fold it upwards as well. So it should look like that. So we're almost done here. Now we're gonna fold everything in half downwards, like this. And at this point it gets a little tricky because the paper is a little thick, but just make sure that the crease is there. And now all you have to do is to form the wings by making 2 additional creases. So the crease is going to go from this point right here to that point, where you can see here, from here to there. So fold it downwards on one side, then turn over and make the same crease on the other side from this point to that point. make sure that these creases here are very sharp, and sometimes I find it even helps to take a hard object and just press it down like a book or something. But basically that's your butterfly ready, and it is optional, but if you want you can sort of shape the wings a little bit by curling them a little bit on both sides. But yeah, and I've made quite a big butterfly, but it usually turns out better if you use smaller squares of colored paper. Basically looks like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and see you guys next time.